Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out Apple ID on iPhone without a password. So guys, if you have forgot the password for your Apple ID and now you want to sign out your Apple ID from your device but you are unable to do this, here I will show you how can you do this and how can you sign out your Apple ID from your device without the password. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to go to stolen device protection and turn it off as well. So I simply turn it off, and after this go back and now go to your profile, and from here you have to go to sign in and security and wait here for some seconds, and from here tap on change password, and from here you have to simply enter the passcode for your iPhone for one time, and from here you have to simply change the password for your Apple ID from here. So guys, you can see this, you can easily change the password for your Apple ID. So guys, once you change your password from here, simply go back and again go to your settings and then go to your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on sign out, and now you have to simply give that password which you have recently changed, and after this you will be able to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone very easily. So I give that password and sign out your Apple ID from your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.